Natural disasters and those caused by human actions, including strong winds and fires, have created a need for better preparation, mitigation, and responses across the board.
Farmers are devastated year in, year out because of veld fires, and it burns their animals, it burns their crops in the field. So in a case where your pasture, your crop is burnt, then it means that we need to look into it to say how do we mitigate in terms of giving the farmers the fodder as a mitigating, depending on the extent of the damage, because sometimes you find that the whole 100 or 1,000 of hectares is burned, is destroyed.
Settlements in disaster-prone parts of both urban and rural areas are also a concern.
In most of the time, our municipalities, they are not proactive in terms of planning for any eventuality. And also, when people they occupy unserviced land, I think those are the serious challenges. And also the challenge that a challenge of people settling in disaster-prone areas like your wetland and floodplains.
The municipality says this inaugural disaster management summit will foster deeper collaboration among stakeholders to reduce the risk of disasters and improve resilience.
Since 2021, floods have really been affecting Mahikeng in a negative way, more especially in the deep rural areas where we could not reach. But now we are establishing 2 of the satellite fire stations and rescue areas in the areas of Otosop, and we are planning another one in the areas of either Gelexpan or Mooifontein area. We had also to increase in terms of our fleet management, buying more fire engines when there are fires. But a main challenge above anything else is that municipalities are not given the funds to deal with disasters.
Meanwhile, the South African Weather Service has predicted an increased likelihood of above normal rainfall over the northeastern parts of the country during the summer. Sintle English, SABC News, Mahikeng.